Welcome to Cooking is Fun. Cooking should be fun, especially when it tastes good at the end. Today we'll be making chicken strip from homemade chicken strip. So first you buy some chicken breast and you slice it. You can slice it long and thin like this, and then you just mix 2 eggs with a little bit salt and pepper and a little bit of milk. You dip it in, and then you have your flour next that's already seasoned, all-purpose flour. You just put it in. You can just flip it as much as you want. You have enough. We have enough flour now. This is the first one, so I'll show you again the second one. Dip it in the egg. Dip it in the flour. Now when you do all this, you just have to get a new oil on the pan and fry it. You can fry it, and then it depends how crispy you want. This is how it look at the end. You can serve it with salad, with any kind of vegetable on the side. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The fried chicken are done. Little honey mustard next to it. Homemade honey mustard and homemade sambusa sauce.
Let's choose a player.